Hello, children! Hello!
We are back!
Yes, from Parrots classroom. In the back, you can see our beautiful Titanic.
So, how are you?
Are you happy? Are you wonderful? Are you cheered up? Yes? Full of energy?
Yes, we are.
Yes, we are ready to shoot another video for you.
So, in last video, we were practicing some nursery rhyme about Easter eggs. So, children, do you remember? It was with our fingers. So, we can do it again now, okay?
Ready? So show us your hand.
Get ready. 5 little Easter eggs, lovely colors wore. Mother ate the blue one, then there were 4. 4 little Easter eggs, 2 and 2 you see. Daddy ate the red one, then there were 3. 3 little Easter eggs, before I knew. Sister ate the yellow one, then there were 2. 2 little Easter eggs, oh what fun! Brother ate the purple one, then there was 1.
Only one.
1 little Easter egg, see me run. I ate the very last one, and then there were none. Okay.
0.
Perfect.
Very good. Bravo, bravo. So next, I want you to tell me, when you look at my clothes, do you think there is something happening before Easter? What color do I wear? Blue. Very good. Do you remember about our colorful week? Do you remember that before Easter we have the colorful week? And it means each day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and also Friday. I don't have Friday here because we always have public holiday, but on Friday also. Each day has some color. Do you remember? So what color, what day is on Monday? No, on Monday. Today, Monday is blue. So if you want, today on Monday, you can wear many blue things, okay? You can take photo of many things that you can find at home that they are blue and send us, to Misha or to me, photo of you in blue clothes, okay? And Tuesday, what color is Tuesday? Yellow. And Wednesday is red. And Thursday is green. Children, and do you know what color is Friday? I don't have it here, but what color is Friday? Friday is orange. Okay, so you can also on Friday wear something orange. Very good. So, maybe some of you remember that last year or the year before we had colorful week. And on, for example, Red Day, we were all dressed in red, and then we counted how many red things we have or we wear. So there are some photos of our friends from last year's, and also we have the green day and the yellow day and the blue day. Do you remember?
Beautiful.
So when you come to the classroom, we can look at our friends also, and you can look at yourself because some children, you're so small and you look very cute. So we can have a look at the colorful week together. So because we have the colorful week, we want to little bit practice colors with you, okay?
Are you ready?
Are you ready? So repeat after us.
So,
Or maybe you can tell us, that's easy,
Okay.
what color it is.
so what color is this? Yes, green.
Very good. What color is this? Pink. Very good.
What about this one? Like the sun. Yellow.
Very good. And what color is this? Purple. Very good.
And this one?
This one?
Yes, it's white.
Excellent. And what color is it? Orange. Bravo.
This one is red. Perfect.
What color is this? It's a bit difficult. Horses have this color, or mud, or chocolate.
Chocolate.
It's brown. Brown. Very good.
And what about this one? It's maybe very difficult for you.
It's a light purple and it's called
Lilac. Lilac. But you can also say purple, I think.
or light purple. Very good. And what color is this? It's Monday's color. Today's color? Blue. And okay, last one, me. What color is this in the middle? It's black. Very good. Black. Excellent.
Can
So,
we play some game?
We will play some game with Misha.
We will guess what color
Is it?
Yes.
So, Misha, do you think, what color is this? You can see, you can see.
I think it might be blue.
No, it was pink. Now my turn.
So, what about this one? What do you think?
Please tell me, what is it? Can you see it? What is it? What is it? Help Miss Rose. What is it? It's white.
Yes!
Wow, thank you for helping me. Very
So
good.
Miss Rose is winning.
Okay, so now let's try again. So Miss Misha, what color is this?
Might be brown.
No, it's orange.
And what about this one?
Children, help me please again. Tell me what it is. I think it's lilac.
Oh my God! How is it
Oh,
possible?
wow! Amazing!
You can see through the card.
I have special Superman laser eyes and I can see through. Very good. So you can maybe play this kind of game at home with Mama and Papa, yes? So now we will ask some questions and you can also answer. You can help answering, yes? So children, I have one question on you. Miss Misha is wearing this kind of sweater. Do you know what color is it? We didn't have it in those colors. And it's color also of elephants. Who knows the color? Is a bit difficult. Gray. Very good. Gray.
And I want to ask you, Miss Rose.
Okay.
What's your favorite color?
Yes, my favorite color. I have 3 favorite colors. I love yellow and red and pink. And I'm not sure which one I like the most. But I actually really love rainbow colors. Like these unicorns that are all very rainbowy or something. I love this jungle of colors. So that's. And how about you, Michelle? What's your favorite color?
Dark blue, like the navy blue. It's called navy blue.
Yes.
I really like it because I think it goes very well with my light hair.
Oh, nice. Very good. And how about you? What's your favorite color? Tell us.
We are curious.
You can also record on video. What's your favorite color? Yes? Okay, very good. So, that was about colors. And because colors are easy for somebody, let's bring a little bit more difficult study. And that is about our feelings. Okay? What we feel, how we feel, feelings. Can you say? Feelings. Feelings. Very good. So we will show you special cards. Maybe, yeah, we will start. I can start. So do you know how is the boy feeling when you look at him? This boy is outside on some toy and he's playing in the park, and because he's happy and entertained and very, enjoying himself, it's called he's amused. Amused, because he's like, wow, this wonderful toy. And it means he's amused. Amused. Very good.
So the next one is pretty easy. Look, the boy is smiling. He got a lot of presents. So he's very, very happy. Happy.
Are you happy too? Look at what we have here. There is a ghost. Help me! How is this boy feeling? He's very scared or anxious. A little bit more difficult word than scared. It's anxious. I feel anxious. Scared. Okay. Are you feeling anxious about something? Maybe some people are anxious about coronavirus. Okay. Next.
So, maybe this one. Look, the boy is yawning and he's very, very tired because he wants to go to sleep. So tired.
Are you also tired? No? Excellent. All right. Look at this boy. He can see an elephant standing on one foot. Wow, that's amazing. So he's amazed. When you see something amazing, you are amazed. You might be amazed of our videos. Okay.
Okay, what about this one? Look, there is a boy and a girl, and they're having argument. They are fighting, and the boy is very, very angry because maybe the girl doesn't want to give him some toy or doesn't want to play with him, so the boy is angry at her. Angry.
Are you sometimes angry at home at Mama and Papa or your brother or sister? You shouldn't be. Yes, you shouldn't be angry. So next one, we have boy, and what does he have? He has some balloons. Okay. So, when I speak about I have. When we speak about you, you have. But when we speak about he or she or about it, like pets, dogs or cats, you say he has or she has. Okay, the have changes. And then when we talk about us, we say we have or they have. So I ask, what does he have? He has balloons. And what happened with one balloon? It exploded. And sometimes when the balloons explode, we get frightened. It's like, ah! You get frightened. Scared also. Frightened. Okay.
Next one. What can you see here on the bike? It's a clown. So, and he's making some funny things. So the boy is he's laughing, laughing, because it's very funny.
So now I have difficult one. This is about the boy and girl, and they're very nice to each other. They understand each other's feelings. So they're open-minded. Open-minded. It's a little bit difficult to explain. Open-minded means that your heart is open, you love the people, you understand how they feel and why they feel this way. When sometimes Mama might be sad, you will say, Mom, are you okay? Do you need help? You can see maybe she's washing dishes and she's really frustrated. You say, Mom, let me help you. So you're open-minded. You can see and then you react to it in a positive way. Very good.
Okay, next one. It's also a little bit difficult. So, what can you see here? It's a little spider. And for example, when we see something that we don't like, it's a little bit disgusting. So, the boy is disgusted because he doesn't like the spider. Yeah? So when we don't like something, we can be disgusted.
Yeah, when you, for example, see 3 days dirty dishes and it smells really bad, you can feel disgust. So this boy was riding a bicycle and look at one of his wheels. What happened to the tire? He made flat tire. He broke the bike. And when you break some of your favorite toys, what happens to you? I broke my bicycle. You get very sad. Sad. Poor boy, he's sad now. But maybe if he fixes it, he'll be happy again.
Okay, so another one. Maybe also a little bit difficult. For example, when somebody tells you that you did something wrong, but it's not true, you can feel like offended that somebody is trying to he's trying to say that you did something bad, but you didn't do anything, so you feel offended, yeah? Offended.
For example, if Miss Rose will say to Misha, you came late today, and it was not true.
It's not true.
Then she will feel offended.
Offended. Don't say it.
Sorry. Okay, so this is last one.
No, I also have one.
You have also had one. So, okay. So my last one. Look at this boy. This is something you really love to do. Those kind of things. It's called that you're cheeky or silly also. Silly or cheeky. Okay, very good.
My last one. So, for example, when you go somewhere and there are many new people that you don't know, so you feel very, very shy, and you're just standing by your mom and you don't want to go to those new people and you're very, very shy. Yeah? So shy.
Some children are shy and they don't want to record on WhatsApp how they talk in English and explain about their homework because they're shy. But you shouldn't be shy. It's okay. You just do your best. Yes?
As we do.
Yes. We also, at the beginning of video,
I was a little bit shy.
Yeah. I'm already used to it, but also my first video was a little bit shy. Very good. So that's all for today.
No, I also have.
Yes, the study is finished.
Yeah.
But now we have a nice treat for you.
Yeah, a little bit fun.
Yes. So Miss Misha will read you a beautiful story about Peppa Pig.
Because in next video we're gonna do with Miss Rose Easter egg hunt. So I will read you a book about Easter egg hunt with Peppa Pig, your favorite. So get ready. It's springtime. Grandpa Pig has made an Easter egg hunt for Peppa and her friends. There are lots of chocolate eggs hidden in the garden, says Grandpa Pig. Are you ready to go find them? Yes, Grandpa Pig, everyone says. So here you can see Peppa with 3 other friends, and they are very, very excited to go look for the hidden eggs. Off you go then, says Grandpa Pig. But be careful not to step on my plants. We promise to be really, really careful, Grandpa, says Peppa. Look, so they are going down the hill to find those hidden eggs, and they have to be extra careful to not to step on those beautiful flowers because it's springtime and the flowers are starting to bloom and they are very, very beautiful. So they should be very careful to not step on them. Peppa soon finds an egg hidden in a plant pot. Here you can see plant pot. It's the place where you put soil and flowers. I found one, shouts Peppa, and she's very, very happy. The egg is beautiful. It's blue with some yellow patterns, and it's very, very nice. Then Rebecca Rabbit finds an egg under the bush. Look here, under the bush. And the egg is also very nice. Some green with pink dots and pink star. And then Freddy Fox finds another in a wheelbarrow. Look, this one is called wheelbarrow. You also have one in the garden. And we can use it for cleaning up the garden, the leaves, or the chestnuts. So it's for gardening, yeah? So, everyone has found a chocolate egg. But what do we do now, Grandpa Pig? Asks Rebecca Rabbit. Ha ha ha! You eat your eggs, of course, laughs Grandpa Pig. Did you enjoy your Easter egg, children? Asks Granny Pig. We found all the chocolate eggs, says Peppa. They are in our tummies now, adds Freddy Fox. Look, they all have chocolate all over their mouths. Oh, so it was probably very, very yummy. Would you like to also eat some chocolate egg? I think yes. Good, good, says Granny Pig. Now let's go and see Jemina, Vanessa, Sarah and Neville. So who are they? What do you think? Let's see. But they are just boring chickens, Granny, says Peppa. They have eggs too, Peppa, says Granny Pig. So look, these are little chicks. We can see black chick, brown one, also white chick. And Peppa or Freddy Fox asks, can we eat them? No, Freddy, laughs Granny Pig. The eggs are about to hatch. So let's see. Look, the baby chicks are hatching here. So it means that the egg cracks and little chicks come out of the egg. So they are hatching. Now the chicks have hatched. It really is Easter time, says Granny Pig. Peppa and her friends pretend to be baby chicks and they all sing. I'm a little chick singing chip, chip, chip. I like to pick up food with my big, big beak. I have a fluffy yellow head and some straw for my bed. And I jump up and down singing chip, chip, chip. Okay, so they are having so much fun playing to be little chicks. And that's the end, children. So bye-bye. We hope you enjoyed our lesson. Bye-bye. See you next time.